where we bring you the hottest trends in fashion and beauty. Are you ready to discover the makeup trends that will define 2025? From bold eyes to glowing skin, this year is all about making a statement. Stick around to learn how you can master these trends and turn heads wherever you go. Tired of the same old neutral makeup? Say hello to 2025, where bold, glam, and shimmer are taking over the beauty world. If you've been stuck in a beauty rut, you're not alone. The no makeup look dominated for years, leaving many of us yearning for creativity and fun. But what if we told you it's time to bring back the glam? Today, we are diving into the top 2025 makeup trends straight from celebrity makeup artists. From flushed fresh faces to retro-inspired eyes, we've got everything you need to revamp your look. Let's get started. If you're ready to transform your makeup routine, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our updates. And don't forget to share your favorite looks in the comments below. Flushed fresh face. A perfectly flushed face is timeless and trending in 2025. Celebrity makeup artist Daniel Chinchilla recommends sheer to medium coverage with a glowy finish. Use a stained wash of color on your eyes, lips, and cheeks for a quick yet stunning look. Glowy skin. Glazed donut skin isn't going anywhere. To achieve this luminous look, use light-reflecting products like Charlotte Tilbury's Highlighter Wand or Rare Beauty's Liquid Luminizer. Don't forget to highlight your shoulders and collarbone for extra glow. Shimmer and shine. Shimmer is a huge trend this year. Simply tap it onto your eyelids with your finger. Go subtle or bold, it's all about having fun. Try Too Faced's High Shine Glitter for a versatile, eye-catching look. Retro-inspired eyes. Retro eyes are making a modern comeback. Think bold liner and graphic shapes. Use creamy liners like Too Faced Killer Liners for precise and long-lasting results. Bold eyes and Siren eyeliner. Make a statement with bold eyes and Siren eyeliner. Line your eyes for a dramatic effect, extending the inner and outer corners. This look is all about confidence. Natural glow and satin skin. Somewhere between matte and dewy, satin skin is your go-to for a balanced, natural glow. Use hydrating primers and satin matte foundations for that perfect finish. Doll-like makeup. Pinterest predicts 2025 highlights doll-inspired makeup as a fan favorite. Think fluttery lashes, soft gradient lips, and a generous dose of blush. Use white gel liners and cluster lashes for the ultimate doll effect. Matte cloudy blends. Cloudy blends are an evolution of the no makeup trend. Think velvety skin, diffused edges, and romantic tones. Use products like Milk Hydro Grip Primer and House Labs Foundation for a flawless base. Icy eyeshadow. Cool tones are back. Icy eyeshadow in shades of white, silver, and blue is perfect for creating a striking, wintry look. Experiment with matte or sparkly finishes to suit your style. Blush combos. Layering blushes is a great way to add dimension. Mix shades like coral and plum to create a custom glow that complements your skin tone. Red lips. Once pushed aside for neutral tones, red lips are making a bold comeback in 2025. For a similar effect, try Maybelline Vinyl Ink Liquid Lip Color in Red Hot. This classic shade, paired with a modern shine, exudes timeless elegance. Dark cherry lips. If you're craving a fresh twist on a bold look, dark cherry lips are the way to go. Pinterest reports a 235% surge in searches for dark cherry red, and a 325% spike for cherry vibe. Pair this deep red lip color with matching cherry cola nails for a monochromatic style statement. Unexpected lips. In 2025, celebrity makeup artist Nick Barros is drawing inspiration from art and cinema. Barros encourages exploring unconventional shades, like the Cheekbone Beauty Fearless eyeshadow crayon in dark turquoise. Used as a lip color, this deep green is unexpectedly wearable, offering a bold yet sophisticated look. Metal lips. Metallics are back in a big way, and 2025 brings a fresh spin. Creative director and makeup artist French anticipates a rise in metallic lip looks. I worked on a balm formula with iridescent pigments that create a wearable metallic effect, she shares. Expect an array of new shades to hit the market, blending shimmer with everyday practicality. Mocha Mousse Lips. Pantone's 2025 color of the year, Mocha Mousse, is destined to shine on lips. Makeup artist Natalie Drescher highlights its versatility as a cool-toned nude that flatters all skin tones. Pair it with a smoky eye or vibrant eye makeup for a chic and polished finish. Bonus tips. Cool-toned lipsticks like this can make your teeth appear brighter and whiter. Juicy lips. Elevate your lip game by layering liners and glosses for a luscious, dimensional look. Celebrity makeup artist Etienne Ortega recommends using the Ortega Beauty Soft Contour Lip Liner in Mousse, an agave glow color stick in nubs, topped with the Liquid Icon Hypergloss for that perfect juicy pout. Lilac Lips. For those who prefer a softer look, lilac tones are trending. From viral lilac blushes to Huda Katton's teased purple setting powders, this delicate hue is finding its place in every beauty enthusiast's collection. The soft lavender shades are perfect for a playful yet understated lip. Rococo Revival. The Rococo trend channels the elegance of Marie Antoinette with a modern twist. Think rosy cheeks, soft contours, and pastel accents. As Pinterest predicts its rise, look for makeup inspired by Twice Neon, blending historical glam with today's aesthetics. Monochromatic Red. Celebrity makeup artist Barros crafted a stunning monochromatic red look for Lupita Nyong'o. By combining bronzy, smoky eyes with red highlights along the lower lash line using the Chanel Beauty Enchanted Night Eyes and Cheeks palette, he proves red eyeshadow is not to be feared. Subtle yet striking, this look redefines drama. And there you have it, the top 2025 makeup trends to try right now. Remember, makeup is all about expressing yourself and having fun. Don't be afraid to experiment and make these trends your own. If you loved this video, give it thumbs up and share your favorite trends in the comments below. See you next time.